Why Vedic mathematics is being taken up by a trust like this? Because the human resource is most important thing in the world. A human being, if he is using his time and the intelligence in a right manner, we will see a ideal world to live. That's the reason why we are taking up Vedic mathematics free classes for everybody whoever is interested. And these classes come as small videos which are uploaded to the YouTube. So these videos are in the tune of 10 minutes on an average for a particular concept. If at all I am covering more concepts in a particular class, then the video length might be a little more. Most of the classes will be done in English. Wherever it's possible, I'll just mention some Telugu words also. So this class is 13. This is class number 13. So what we are doing today? Last class we have done the subtraction, but we did not have the dot, means decimals. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Subtraction for decimal numbers. So what is this decimal number? First, suppose you have the two units, rupees and paise. In mathematics, suppose we say 100 paise, if 100 paise is equals to 1 rupees, and then you want to say some 13 rupees 17 paise, then we are going to mention like this, 13 rupees 17 paise. So this is the dot, these are the decimals. So now if you have the two numbers which are to be considered for the subtraction example, then let us see how we are going to subtract. Let's take the example of 81 rupees 85 paise. This is rupees, this is paise, minus, let's consider 66 rupees 86 paise. 66 rupees 86 paise. So first and foremost thing, when we are given a problem like this, normally in any question paper or in any competitive exams, the question will be written in the single line format like this, horizontally. Now we need to convert this into the vertical format for any mathematical calculations. So now we have rupees as well as paise. So this is the number from which you are subtracting 66 rupees 86 paise. The first, let's take the number from which we need to subtract the other, that is 81 rupees 85 paise. What are we going to subtract? 66 rupees 86 paise. So what are the techniques or the principles, sutras that we are going to recollect and then use it here, or the definitions? Number one is best friend digit. Best friend digit, if you see the pairs, then they are 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. 5 will be having the best friend as 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 2, 8, 1, 9, 1. So these are all the best friend digits, and also 10, 0. So now best friend digits are known to us. These are all the best friend digits. For 1, who is the best friend digit? 9. It's like that. So the sum of best friend digits is 10. Sum is 10. This is one definition that we need to recollect or remember for doing the subtraction in this Vedic mathematics class. And another one, Ekadhikena Purvena. This is very important. Ekadhikena Purvena. Suppose say there are two digits, 23. Which is a Purva digit of 3? 2 is a Purva digit. Ekadhik means one above. To represent one above, we put a dot here. This is the concept, this is the principle. When we say Ekadhikena Purvena, for 3, Ekadhikena Purvena is 2 dot above. Okay. So now let's subtract. Let's understand this example using this definition and then Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra. First let's see, we will be starting from the right to left. 5 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 5? Which is a bigger number? 6 is a bigger number. 5 is a small number. Can we subtract a big number from the small number? Directly we cannot do that. So what we are going to do? We are going to apply these two concepts, one definition and one principle. When 5 cannot subtract 6 directly, we recollect the best friend of we have to recollect the best friend of 6. Who is the best friend of 6? Who is the best friend of 6? Let's see here. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 are the best friends. So best friend digit of the 6 is 4. So what are we going to do? Add that best friend digit to 5. What will happen? You will get how much? 9. Whenever you recollect the best friend digit, you apply Ekadhikena Purvena. So it is here 8 dot above. Why? Who is the Purva digit of 6 here? 8. Ekadhikena Purvena digit, that's 8 dot. So this is the first digit subtraction. From 5, we are trying to subtract 6. We realize that 5 cannot subtract 6 directly. So we recollected the best friend digit of the 6, that is 4. Just added that number to the 5. That's why we have written 9. Because we recollected the best friend digit of the 6, you are going to apply Ekadhikena Purvena. Now, can 8 subtract the 8 dot above? No. Once again, now we are going to recollect the best friend digit of 8 dot above. 8 dot above is nothing but 9. This is all to be done in your mind. Best friend digit of 9. Best friend digit of 9. That's 1. That is 1. So 1 will be added to 8. How much it is? 9. 1 will be added to the 8. The above 8, not the below 8. Okay. So we recollected the best friend digit of 8 dot above. We have written this. So Ekadhikena Purvena. Why? Because we have recollected the best friend digit. So we are putting the Purva digit is 6 for 8. Ekadhika. So dot above. So now this decimal, this dot will be transferred as it is. It's clear up to this point, right? Now let's go to the next step. Now we moved from the paisa to rupees side. We moved from paisa to rupees side. So what is happening now? 6 dot above. What is the 6 dot above? That is 7. Why we are recollecting this? First, we need to just inside the brain, you need to do this. 6 dot above is always the 7. The Ekadhikena Purvena we applied, so 6 dot above. 6 dot above is nothing but 7. Something like that. So can we subtract this 7 from 1? No. So to recollect the best friend digit of this 6 dot above, that is 7. This should be done in the brain. Best friend digit of the 7 is 3. If you add 3 to the number 1, what are we going to get? That's 4. Right? So 1 plus 4. So you recollected the best friend digit. Whenever you are recollecting the best friend digit, when are you going to recollect the best friend digit? These two things are more important. If the number cannot be subtracted directly from the number from which we need to, then immediately you need to recollect the best friend digit of the number that we are going to subtract. So here that is what is happening. 1, 6 dot above. So 1 is small number, 6 dot above is big number. So 1 cannot subtract 7, or 7 cannot be subtracted from 1. So we recollected the best friend digit of 7, that is 3. 3 is directly added to the 1. We got 4. It's clear up to here? Because we recollected the best friend digit, we are going to do Ekadhikena Purvena. This is a Purva digit. You are doing the Ekadhik. So that is 6 dot above again. This is here. Now, can you subtract the 6 dot above? Again, 6 dot above is 7. Can you subtract this 7 from 8? Is it okay directly? Yes. That is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So, we understood the decimal number subtraction using the Ekadhikena Purvena and recollecting the definition of best friend digit. So, you please recap. Parents are requested to explain to kids step by step again, because normally one concept will be taking around 30 to 40 minutes if we are in the class and interacting with the students. But this is video class where parents are requested to listen to this completely and then transfer that knowledge as per the requirement of the kid. Okay, now let's go for some more examples which you can take it and then practice at home. Now here I am going to write in the vertical format itself directly. You can note down those questions in your notes and you can practice it. Excuse me. So 23.75 minus 8.25. Okay. Next question. This is once again, let's take the units, let's practice the units now. Rupees and paise. Now length example. Let's take the length example. Meter and centimeter. 42.50 meters and centimeter. 42.50. Okay. Minus 27.80. Here what we're trying to see, the 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So that's the reason why you have 2. And here 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. Now let's take one more example with the length. Kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now take the example here. 5 kilometer and 300 meters minus 3 kilometer 450 meters. This is one example. Let's see if the exercise book is having some more examples here. The different digits. Yeah, let's go to the weight. Weight. Kg and gram. Kg. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So the example, kg and gram. The example here is 345 kg, 750 grams minus 176 kg, 500 grams. This is one example. So one more example. Volume. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1000 ml. Okay. Liter and ml. The example. 500 liter. 750 ml minus 165 liter. 500 ml. So all these examples you please practice and then try to understand the units. So we have learned the units also. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. One kg is equals to 1000 grams, 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. So we have the examples for each unit and decimals here now. 23 rupees 75 paisa minus 8 rupees 25 paisa. 42 meter 50 centimeters minus 27 meter 80 centimeter. 5 kilometer 300 meters minus 3 kilometer 450 meters. 345 kg 750 grams minus 176 kg 500 grams. 500 liter 750 ml minus 165 liter 500 milliliter. So what we are trying to learn from the Vedic mathematics class is that we are going to apply this Vedic mathematics techniques across the concepts. See, all this meter, centimeter, price, this will be in the financial applications. These will be in the physics applications. This will be in the chemistry applications. Like this. So when you find a problem where you can apply the Vedic mathematics concept, you should not hesitate. Rather, you should search for the place where you can apply the Vedic mathematics. This is going to train your brain in a way that it thinks out of box and tries to optimize the solution and then the methodology for the solution. Sometimes it will be possible for you to tell the answer directly even without using the pen and paper. As we progress slowly, you understand that we use no pen, no paper, but you will be able to answer. So once we complete all these Vedic mathematics sutras, definitions and everything, probably in 100 classes of YouTube videos like this, then we will discuss the advanced methodology considering the problems which are coming in the competitive exams, which are very helpful for the students who are 7th class and above, wherein now we are going to use everything without pen and paper. That's what we are going to do, right? This is the class for today. Thank you so much. We shall meet with the next class, next concept soon.